Where can you find stainless steel components that are lasered, formed, welded, and polished? For 40 years, D.A.D. has made stainless steel components for the food, pharma, and transportation industries. D.A.D. has been supporting the success of other companies for over 40 years by providing high-quality stainless steel parts and keeping delivery promises. We quality check at every step of the process to ensure every part meets print requirements. D.A.D's growth and success can be attributed to the interdependence of our customers and our people.